right, crew. Come on. We're going to the sweet potato farm. This is the Artemis sweet potato farm. We got an exclusive view of it. Keep it stable.
How hard to do that?
All right, don't look like we can get in. Come on this way.
I need to get these shoes dirty.
What they make here at this factory, man, is sweet potatoes, man. The best sweet potatoes in America, from what I hear. Is it filming me? Keep a good eye on it.
Yeah, it's filming you.
In there is where the action's at. You smell that?
What is that smell?
Holy shit. All right, come on and take a look in here.
Whoa.
Man, look at these fucking potatoes, man. These are sweet potatoes. Macro bin right here. Awesome place. But I think, see if we can't sneak around through here. All right, we're still on the adventure, it looks like. What the fuck is going on in here? Hey! Grab the camera, film me. Huh? This is scary as fuck. You want to talk about something scary? It's goddamn fucking scary.
Oh, please turn back. I'm starting really freaking.
You freaking out? This is scary, dude. Look at these potatoes in here, man.
I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, man, we're exploring the factory. It's all about the chase, people. Which we're waiting on storms right now. All right, guys. We kind of got through that one. Lifted up my face. Can you see my face?
Yes, just hurry up with this
On the
shit.
storm chase, we like to take you cocksuckers on fucking adventures. You know, I know you probably don't like my verbiage, but, you know, we're showing you some pretty good industry here. This is Barnum Sweet Potato Factory, and we're trying to find the
Owner.
the operations that we can show you. It's one of those things where I think we got something over here. Take a look. Yep, I see something right
think so.
Yeah, come on, get some footage. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Film at it. Hey, how you doing, man? All right, so what it appears is we have a line here that's going through the process of sorting and cleaning these potatoes. You know, the canners. We've got some of the undesirables here. Film me. I said we've got some of these in here. Terry Tyler, don't forget to follow me. We've got them coming up through here. And then, oh man, look at this guy. Watch out for the forklift coming. Not yet. I want to catch him getting this. This is the part of the industry right here. Oh yeah. That's a smooth operator right there, lady. And here they go. Oh man. Inside of this tank is where they're bubbling. In here they clean, and the potatoes go up through here. They come in dirty. The leftovers are in here, the stew. And there's the cleaning station. Hey, film me as I walk up.
Oh my God, are you serious?
Hey man, what are we doing here in this process of the potatoes? We're just cleaning them off. Cleaning them off. All right, film it. They'll get run over now. Walk with me. Hey, y'all doing great. Thanks, y'all. All right, this is Adventure right now. Gardeman Sweet Potato Factory. We took you through the first phases of it. And we're still in the process of doing it. It's the 21st and the tornadoes will be out. But each of these crates you see here are generally filled with potatoes. And it's all part of it. The Feeding of America, the family business. So, you know, I hope you guys were able to enjoy that trip. It was quite fantastic, wasn't it? Don't forget to click the link below and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook at Mid-South Chasing.